Hey everyone, if you're into video creation, AI, and seamless workflows, then you're going to love today's video. I've been experimenting with Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio, and let me tell you, this is the future of content creation. It combines high-quality visuals and synchronized audio in one smooth process. No more endless editing or jumping between tools. Today, we're diving into Kling 2.6 audio, a groundbreaking multimodal engine by Higgsfield that lets you generate entire scenes with visuals, voice, and ambience, all at once. If you're a creator or content producer, this tool is a huge time saver. Let's go over what makes Kling 2.6 audio so powerful and why you need to try it for your next project. 1. Native audio. One of the standout features is native audio. This means that when you generate a scene, you get visuals and voice in one go. No extra editing or plugins required. You can tweak the audio later if needed, but for fast drafts, this is a serious time saver.
Don't lose sight of me!
2. Optional silent output. Need a clean render for editing or sound design? You can now choose silent output, which gives you the visuals without any audio, so you can add your own sounds or refine the track later. 3. Better motion fidelity. Kling 2.6 brings better motion fidelity, meaning smoother and more stable camera paths. Even in multi-object scenes, your video will feel much more natural and polished.
Obstacle detected, recalculating route. Route optimized for smooth navigation.
Higher prompt precision. The AI in Kling 2.6 is now more precise in interpreting your action, style, and emotional tone. So when you specify how you want a scene to feel, whether it's dramatic, tense, or lighthearted, it delivers with better accuracy.
Why does it always have to be this way? No more running!
5. Full 1080p quality. Finally, Kling 2.6 outputs in full 1080p quality, so you get sharp, detailed visuals with amazing realism, especially for close-ups and facial textures.
The world outside feels so different today. I wonder what lies beyond this glass.
You see our culture from the outside, but to understand Russia, you must feel the winter, the history, the spirit of this place.
Our traditions define who we are. We have lived here for centuries, honoring the ways of our ancestors.
Here you see
Finally,
real-time
one of the
applications
standout features of Kling
transforming everyday
2.6 is its
This
ability to output
is
in
just the
full
beginning of our
1080p quality.
technological revolution.
This means you're getting
Here you see
incredibly
real-time
sharp,
applications
high-resolution
transforming
visuals
everyday
with stunning
life.
detail and
This
clarity,
is just
especially
the
when it
beginning
comes
of
to
our
close-ups and
technological
facial
revolution.
textures.
Here you
The level
see
of realism in
real-time
these shots
applications
is truly
transforming
remarkable.
everyday life.
The skin texture
This
appears
is
lifelike,
just the beginning
subtle
of our
lighting changes on the
technological
face
revolution.
are captured perfectly,
city never
and
sleeps.
every fine detail,
Just
from the
another day,
glimmer in the
another
eyes
night.
to the
Feels
strands of
different tonight.
hair, is brought to life in crisp, cinematic quality.
This city
Whether
never
you're
sleeps.
creating intimate character
Just another
moments
day,
or
another
sweeping
night.
cinematic
Feels different
scenes,
tonight.
the 1080 key resolution ensures your video looks
The city
polished,
never sleeps.
professional, and ready for
Just
any
another day,
platform.
another night.
Now let's talk
Feels
about
different
something
tonight.
that truly sets Higgsfield apart from other AI video generation
In the
platforms.
heart of the future, technology
Unlimited
and humanity merge
Kling
flawlessly.
2.6
Every corner breathes
audio
innovation, every
generations.
face tells a story of progress.
That's
In the heart
right,
of the future,
unlimited.
technology and humanity merge
Now, we
flawlessly.
all
Every
know
corner
that
breathes
video
innovation,
production
every face tells a
often
story of
involves
progress. In the heart of the
multiple
future,
iterations.
technology and humanity
You
merge
come up with a
flawlessly. Every corner
concept,
breathes innovation,
generate a
every face
scene,
tells a story
tweak
of progress.
it,
In the heart of the
maybe
future,
even
technology
try
and
several
humanity merge
different
flawlessly.
versions
Every corner
before you
breathes
get
innovation, every
exactly
face tells
what
a
you
story
want.
of progress.
Normally,
The storm
you'd be
whispers
limited by
secrets as
credits,
the ocean
subscription
breathes
tiers,
deeply.
or other restrictions
In the
that slow down
stillness
the
of the
creative
night, the
process.
soul finds
But with
peace
Kling
amidst the
2.6
tempest.
audio, there are no
The
limits.
storm whispers
You can
secrets as
generate
the
as
ocean
many scenes
breathes
as you
deeply.
need, as many times as you want,
stillness of the
without
night, the
worrying
soul
about
finds
running out of
peace
credits
amidst
or
the
being
tempest.
tied to a specific quota.
And winter is
This
coming.
is huge for anyone working on
arrive.
multiple projects or
Se
those who
acerca
need
el
to
invierno.
iterate fast. Let's
El
say you're
winter
working on a
comes.
short film,
Dòng tiền
a
giàu lãi này.
commercial, or a
Sardi
YouTube
ở đây.
series where you need to create a variety of scenes with different moods, settings, or characters. With unlimited generation, you're free to explore endless creative possibilities without having to pause and think, oh, I've hit my limit for the day. That kind of flexibility is a game changer. For example, you might want to experiment with different camera angles or change the lighting to see how it affects the mood of the scene. Or maybe you want to try a completely different voiceover or alter the background ambience to better suit the tone.
I've ever seen.
In traditional video editing, or even in other AI platforms.
These are the
each of
bomb!
these changes
Actually,
would
Jimmy,
likely
it's
require
just
new credits
basic
or the
ingredients.
purchase of additional
Feastables,
assets.
you
But
are
with Kling
an
2.6
artist!
audio,
They are
you
better
can
than
simply
Hershey's.
click generate and get the scene exactly how you want it, over and over again if needed. For creators like me, who are always working on new projects or experimenting with different ideas, this means I can produce content faster, more efficiently, and without worrying about hitting those dreaded credit limits. No more deciding whether it's worth using your last few credits on a quick test or holding off until your next billing cycle. This system removes that stress, allowing you to focus purely on the creative side. This flexibility is also invaluable for content creators who need to keep up with a fast-paced content schedule. If you're creating content for social media, YouTube, other platforms where frequent uploads are key to engagement, having the ability to generate unlimited scenes allows you to be constantly.
These are the
innovating
bomb!
and testing
Actually,
new
Jimmy,
ideas.
it's just
With Higgsfield
basic
Kling
ingredients.
2.6 audio,
Feastables,
won't
you
have to
are
sacrifice
an
quality for
artist!
speed.
They are better than
You'll be able to
Hershey's.
generate those high-quality, polished scenes quickly and efficiently, perfect for those tight turnaround times. So if you're looking to produce high-quality content at a faster pace,
You see our
then
culture from the
Higgsfield Kling
outside,
2.6
but to understand
audio
Russia,
is the
you must
platform.
feel the winter, the history,
unlimited
the spirit of this
generation
place.
feature alone. YouTuber or content creator, this tool makes it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life and produce top-tier videos without the usual restrictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with anyone who might benefit from this tool, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the